hair is short, straight, and black. My mom is short and white skin. She has brown eyes. Her hair is long, curly, and blonde. My parents are very hard working. They rarely get angry. They like to watch TV and listen to music. My brother is very tall and thin. His hair is short, blonde, and straight. Um, he has a tall nose and big mouth, big small mouth, ears. He likes playing games and reading stories. My best friend is Jung. She has night brown eyes. Her hair is black, very black, straight and uh, long. She's short like me. She speaks English very well. She is very kind and funny. We laugh a lot of together. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic clothes. Let's get started. My name is Deep. I have a lot of clothes. Uh, I like to wearing t-shirt best. I'm a sociable and easygoing person. Therefore, the daily clothing requirement is not too high. Not too high. Um, Not too high. I like to wear comfortable clothes in the summer. I like to wear loose t-shirt and shorts. I the color of uh, clothes that I choose is white and black. This is a classic color tone and very easy to co- coordinate with that outfit. I can combine it with a pair pair of sneakers. I look very uplifting in that outfit. In winter, I like to wear a hoodie. Looks well hoodie and a long skirt. My school is not too district about the dress. I can default anything to school as long as it's not too ridiculous. I don't like wearing my workers wearing my workers. I don't feel comfortable. I like wearing sweatpants and t-shirt best. They are more comfortable than my work clothes. My father likes wearing short best. My favorite color, my dad's favorite color of clothes is gray, black, and blue. My mother likes to wear loose cone cone clothes. In the summer, my mother has a lot of clothes with different colors. My brother likes to wear fashionable clothes. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic animals. Let's get started. I my family has a dog. It called Mick. We have kept to kept it for 3 years. I love it very much. Its fur is night deer. It has black eyes and a long snout. It has 4 legs. It often run after me. Its long and often curved tail is very cute. It is a male dog. Every time I come home from school, he usually picks me up at the garden gate. It loves to run and play. I bought a few balls so I can play with them at my neighbor. Wherever it sees me having delicious food, it will stick out. It is long tongue and make joke. I teach him interesting moves like jumping over the door, running to pick up a plate, shaking hands, or rolling. I usually bathe a child. It bathe. It try week. Every whenever I have a sad story, I like to go for a walk with him and tell him, even though he doesn't understand what I'm saying. The dog is a very intelligent animal. I love it, and I feel like it loves me too. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic action and abilities. Let's get started. My name is Deep. I'm good at many different things. First, I'm good at gardening. I can grow many vegetables and fruits. I plant many seeds in the spring and water them every day. When the vegetable and fruit are ready, I pick them. I can cook delicious dinner with my uh, family family. Second, I can draw uh, animals and trees, but I can't people. Third, I can sing, but I can't singing very well. I will choose happy or sad music to sing depending on the mood. When I listen to music, I feel very comfortable. Music is music helps me forget the pressure. In addition, I can exercise. Mm, I can exercise every day. Uh, my parents, uh, my parents are good at many different such as garden, cook, fix things. My father cooks very well. My mother likes to grow garden, uh, grow vegetable and fruits. Fruits. In my eyes, my parents are the best. My younger brother is good. My good playing games and reading stories. He can play badminton and football. He likes uh, reading stories. He he likes to play games with his friends. Here, my brother knows a lot of animal, animal, animal terror, 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 characters because he watches and reads and a lot about them. Mm, he have I have a best friends. Uh, her name is Jung. She is very good English. She is very hard working. She is very kind and funny. We laugh a lot together. Next, today I'm going to talk about the food. Let's get started. I love many kinds of food. My favorite meats are chicken and pork. I don't like to eat fish. I usually eat chicken with rice. I love to eat pork with noodles. I really eat soup because I don't like it. I praise her eating healthy foods more than under unhealthy food. I, I eat a nut of fruit. My favorite, my favorite fruit are pineapple, uh, pineapples and mango. I praise her eat. Praise, I, pra- I praise her to eat mango, pineapples, and yogurt for, for breakfast. My mom is very good at cooking because she uses it to work in a restaurant when she was younger. Uh, my my mom's cooking is better than my father's. My mom can cook food from my different countries. She likes making sushi, curry, and pasta. My favorite food that my mom makes is coconut curry. It is very spicy um, and filled with chicken and a nut of vegetables. I love to eat my mom's, but I also like to meet at restaurants. My favorite restaurant is the sushi place next to my house. Um, I praise her salmon, tuna, and sushi. Although sushi is very delicious, but it is very expensive. So I don't go there often. In the morning, my family usually eat rice or bread. Favorite fruit in summer are mango, peach, lychee, plum, orange, lemon, garden fruit, and banana. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic weather. Let's get started. The weather in my hometown is hot, sunny, and winter. I don't like going outside when it is hot. I like watching movies next to a fan, air conditioner. Sometimes I like to go swimming in the pool or the sea. When it is sunny and hot, I like wearing a dress and a t-shirt, shorts. I like it watermelon and cream to cool off. Some summer climatic conditions are very well suited to the growth of many fruit trees such as mango, peach, lychee, plum, rambunctious, plum, orange, lemon, banana. In addition, the weather in my hometown is cold, wet, and rainy. I don't go out when it is cold and rainy, so I usually stay at home. I like to make a warm soup, noodle for lunch, and drink hot tea. I like to read in bed and draw pictures. I like to be outside when the sun and the sun comes out or uh, out and the weather is nice. I like running in the park or playing football with my friends. Also, I love watching the sunset when the weather is warm and nice. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic season. Let's get started. Um, my favorite season is autumn. I like autumn because the colors of the trees are very beautiful and the weather is always nice. I usually go to the park or the forest in autumn to look at the yellow, orange, red, and brown leaves. I like to drink warm tea and spend time baking pies with my friends in autumn. In addition, my favorite season is spring because the weather is warm and sunny. I like spending all day outside in the spring. I like to ride my bike or go jogging in the forest or on the mountain. I usually look for small animals and bugs because I like to look at them. I like eating hot dogs and drinking smoothies at the outdoor cafe. In spring, in spring, I usually travel with my friends. We always go on a camping trip together in early spring. We like to sleep outside in a tent and make a campfire. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic autumn. Let's get started. As you know, my name is Dev. The weather in my hometown is very pleasant with four basic seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. But the summer in my hometown is not too hot because there are many trees to help reduce the heat. My hobby is cycling through the ripe fields and watching the sunset. On summer days, my friends and I often go to the north near our house and organize picnics to fly uh, kites, fish, and cook together. I could say that my hometown is really extremely peaceful. I have a summer vacation school from June to August. It's the first month of my vacation. I stay at home, relax, and meet with my friends. I August, my friends likes to go to the beach together. I always go to the park or the forest in autumn. Look to look at the yellow, orange, red, and brown leaves. I like to drink green tea and spend time baking pies with my friends in autumn. I like spending all day outside in the spring. I like to ride my bike or jogging or go hiking in the forest or on the mountain. I usually look for small animals, bug and bugs because I like to look at them. I like eating hot dogs and drinking smoothies at the outdoor coffee. That is all about my topic. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye and see you again.